open our release album.
No, na me go be the
Style minus.
Maybe style plus. Remix the thing. I want to say I go be the lead singer. You na the producer. Then easy beat go back up. Then if you want start music, you go say it's Alibaba again. No, I don't think they do producer.
He's done jazzy again.
He's Alibaba too long.
It's Ali again.
It's Ali again. Then easy beat go go there for shout. They shout. They for back.
You not go shout. Go do.
That song go blow.
No, one guy for Alaba. Change. Before we forget.
Name change. You get what Igbo man? What the person talk for me recently? Now last weekend I heard him. Now the first time I heard that word, I go there. I say, okay, how much be this thing? He say, okay, I'm not gonna call phone number for you. Now just wait. No, I've been not reason him. He say, okay, not the phone number. Now just 2,000 naira. I say, which one be phone number?
The price go low.
I can't reason him. Say the price go low.
You don't notice when you go shop, go buy something. All those shops where they put price.
Yeah.
You feel just walk enter the shop 5 steps. You don't reach the place where you want to buy the thing.
Yeah.
When you check the price, if the price high, from that place to the door go come far. You go, you see, what you carry me enter the shop? And then also because say, okay, we fit give you discount. Not even discount, half the price is still there.
When I go, I go shop right, make a call and shop right. You get one shop. One believe they say one designer. When I enter inside, I go the pass. See
we know the designer.
He did by the right.
Before you buy something, there in the budget.
Hey, when I enter, I see the shoe. Fine shoe. When I come check them, I see 242,000. He said, I said, no, I like it. It's a very fine shoe. He said, come and taste it. I said, I'm coming. I said, I'm coming. My phone don't ring. My phone will not ring by force. Hello, where are you? Okay, I'm coming to pick you now. No, I'm inside. Oh, can't you?
But again, one man when the guy not they let enter the shop again. The guy entered the shop one time. Yeah. Emeka, the bottom the brown, the top the other side make it dark brown. Put a strap on this other side, then make the bottom. Don't use leather because of rain. Make it rubber sole, like that. 46 and 48. That's the market that moves. Dalu. Now I drop the shoe. I can't come out.
Okay, you not buy again?
They say no worries. They say nah. Our window shopping.
Check out 2 weeks later. You go see that.
Next time they see the guy knock the exact kind of shoe, they say.
And that kind of shoe, I swear, you're not going to know the difference. See? And you can't do that one fake.
Why the Abba boys go can't do something? Can't write made in this, they come bring and come back.
When I they stay for those of them where they Lagos, when I they stay for a boyfriend, two of them, they know there. No being, you get one compound where they near upstairs like this, like 5 stories. People, I know say that upstairs just did it like that. Sometimes you go see container, early momo, container come pack some things go. For night sometimes you go see container come, they offload things. Now one day, I can't find out say this Ekulaka traveling back when you see, you go see made in Italy. Now there they do. All the workers that 5 story now there they live. Then go do everything, and if you see the bag, oh my God, you not go be the things in Nigeria you not go believe. I couldn't wonder why they not put made in Nigeria. You not go sell. Anyway, Alibaba, welcome to the night show.
Thank you.
You know, say from today go now, no, from tomorrow. Since you don't come now, from tomorrow, anybody they come the night show go they bring gift for us.
Okay. I bring gift for you.
Where they give?
Root.
Hey! No, Root go kill me for us
when
now.
You go.
Root come.
When you go.
Root, bia. Una go see Root now. Come here. Come now.
How she want to work out reach here?
Easy bit. Go carry them for me. Easy bit. Go bring her.
Leave her.
Easy, go bring her. Make them see her. Don't know say na bad belly you get for me. Bring her. I beg una go see Root. Root, come here.
No, this na root. You want to tap
root come.
Na root you want to tap root.
Now I want this. Una go see person where Baba won't give me. Person go, come. See, stand for camera, make them see you. Una see person where Baba won't give me. Person won't go kill me for house.
Well, this is insurance cover. This is insurance cover.
This one go kill me for house now.
No. This one, I did. Me won't give you like Passion's boss before. Okay.
No, I like this one. I love her. She's beautiful. Anyway, in case you want to join us on top of the show, follow Alibaba Talk. We be the king of comedy. Alibaba, to me, I like call Alibaba the candle light. When they say they light, all comedians will get candle when not get matches to on their light. Now we tell the light call and be that. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV. If you follow us, call, maybe follow, talk to Alibaba, and make you when they be say day, when they be say you be upcoming comedian, you want become comedian, you don't know how you go take do. Now make us bring the king himself.
We don't do plenty. Don't do. Make them go join rap. Hapunga go rap.
No, but you go be comedy rap, comedy music. Then go join like Julius.
But you see, say Julius no pursue him again.
Maybe market for present.
No, the money no dey there. Money no dey there.
People don't know the full name, your full name, because at the time people say
Alibaba, they try remember them.
At the time people say Alibaba name, you need 7 days fasting to pronounce Alibaba name.
Your father.
It will be your full name.
Eh?
What will be your full name? Tell them your full name.
Breathe in.
Breathe out. Easy, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Akpo yokobo. Akpo robo memerere.
I'll say.
That's the first half.
Wait, akpo kyokyobo. I didn't try it. Akpo.
Yokobo.
It be like they wipe where. Now person where they wipe where they do that the wipe it.
Fast. It's the akpo yokobo.
Akpo kyokobo. Jesus.
Akpo robo memerere.
Akpo, it goes spit for person. What are you looking for? Akpo, sorry. Akpo kyokobo. Akpo robo me omododo.
Akpo robo memerere.
Merere. That's not part 1.
No, that's part 2.
Part 2.
Then the other one be Atunyota Umavweshu.
They don't like you, give you this name.
Now so that nobody gonna call me. You know that kind of time when you get kind name. Those names where they do Sam, Yo. If you did class now, you answer question pastor. 2 times 4, Yo. What time did Ghana get independence? Nedu. When did they open Swiss Canal? Akpo. Nedu, help me out.
Call the full name again. Call him again. You sure say your partner be native doctor? because somebody from Warri, easy from Warri. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
Fine, oh.
You want to follow Alibaba Talk?
Yes, oh.
He dey hear you.
Okay, bros, Mingo.
Brendos, Mavo.
Ado, bros.
You don't hook?
Bros.
I dey hear you.
Bros, happy to see you for TV. Oh, you get mad. It's too much.
Hey, brother, you know it's easy to hustle for this Lagos, eh?
Bros, do you call Warri now? They miss you for Warri. Oh.
I dey call. I call last December now.
Now, worry again, Abi.
I call.
We will not get that kind of big money to call wash you now.
Okay, don't worry. The one where I come will be small money. You go. I come Shakara show now. That one a small money now. You know which one you want on a free show?
Now free show I want come, bros.
Why you not talk as this? You say your money not rich. Why you not talk as this?
Big one you not come. Small one
you not come. My brother, you are a witchcraft.
I mean, the one where me go pay you to come, you won't come.
Gabriel from Warri, good evening. Gabriel from Benin, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. You want to follow Alibaba Talk?
Yes.
He dey hear you.
Gabriel, Ara.
I did time, oh.
Our body.
I did go. Alibaba.
My brother.
I did go.
I hello.
I love you here, tell you.
You like what?
But you go use Bluetooth when I call for me, oh.
I'll use waiting.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, they send what he can't give you.
It's time when it's there.
Oh, the tie? You like the tie?
If you see the original one of this tie,
Oh, father.
if you see the original of this tie, my brother, you go shock.
No, you won't commit to that. Not a good message.
Now horse and Curtis. See, now horse and Curtis. This idiot, they won't give me bad name. See,
I got leave that. When you go come Benin, no, not give me the name. I don't want to see the name. I don't Nedu, not play my package. You don't already assure me they will bring up for me.
Oh yeah, sorry. I don't keep quiet.
So when you want come Benin now, we don't believe.
I go show Benin very soon. I declare go worry on the 7th.
That was
so I will branch. You know, say normally now they use the bypass. Now they cut out Benin, but now because of you, I go enter Benin small. Just chill small, like for 2 days.
Okay.
Before I fade enter work.
Okay. Smart from Abia. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing? What full Alibaba talk?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I hear you.
Smart, Anna.
I did fine.
Oh boy, how your side?
Hey, you see your problem, Smart. Now. Now. Shabi, you don't see it now. I tell you, say if you want call, reduction the volume of your TV. You don't have to hearing yourself. And even now. You don't have to.
Well, if it be black and white TV.
And if you be doing before you do ka, the thing go down, you gonna be like, say, okay. Anyway, in case you want to follow us talk, you want to follow Alibaba talk on top of the show, our phone number is there on top of your TV, make you begin the call us. Now make you go over to Alibaba. Alibaba, that your name. Now make me believe say your partner native doctor.
I agree.
I be here say your partner not allow you enter comedy. Tell us, in fact, how you take enter comedy? Give us the gist.
By accident. How
you take enter comedy?
I don't plan am before self now. Now just the only thing that I be do be say when I go show and to the yap people.
So they abuse their
Yeah, they yap their whole life. Specific this stage they perform well self, I go see yap am. Then some teachers, you know, so the lecturers that time for school will talk say, if anyone makes any noise in this hall again, you'll be rusticated. Everybody go keep quiet. Nobody they talk again. Small time you hear my voice. I say, either born on where Mona talk now.
And noise, but the teacher got to say it is
Brother Kala go just scatter laughs in this way. Then you get one time they act play. One girl, her mouth long. She they abuse her husband. They abuse her husband. Every time I work for the play, every time I want you to do this. As they say, ring boiler mouth. You remember ring boiler those days?
Donna from Wazobia, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you doing?
Now, the religious they talk.
Doralicious! Hey! Is it pretty Doralicious? This girl, man. You like this
How
girl?
na dey? Where Katim now?
Katim, she there.
Okay, but I know they see am. Now, waiting make me there.
Now she see I'm here now.
I see.
You don't see why the points now.
I beg, I want follow Alibaba talk. Right?
Okay. He dey hear you.
Dora.
Alibaba,
How are you?
I'm fine. No, I beg, how does your dog?
Oh, I don't. You see, I be not know. I marry Calabar woman. I don't get dog again.
What's happening now?
I use and do buffet.
I brought from my Calabar. No, they show yourself for deal.
No, in marry Calabar, they don't use them take chop. They don't chop them. Hello from Warri, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Oga.
Ava.
Hello.
They fine.
Hello.
Oga.
You use somebody number. Be na your own phone be this.
Now my own phone be this now.
How you come be hello na get name o.
They do know me well now.
But hello na get name.
No, na man.
No, you know me of hello.
You gotta get some.
Yes, so I be so common now.
But hello na soft. Man not supposed soft. Your name supposed to be. You know the opposite of hello.
I know, and I be so common now.
Ogaga.
No, not be Ogaga. Be hello.
Okay, all right.
No wonder your voice be like that. Hello.
Oga, let's laugh.
I did. You follow Alibaba talk. Go on now.
I won't follow my bros. So me go, bros.
Rendonia for Anna.
Fine, bros.
Our market.
What did they do you yonder now?
Brother, this side for Lagos hot to everywhere now. Politics.
But don't put all of now for that finish. I'll just remove go Lagos. I don't understand.
Oh, let me tell you now something. Carry Joseph go Egypt too.
Not be clear.
Not be this eye.
Not be clear.
Like say Joseph not go Egypt. Israelites for here and
I see you.
We call clear road. We be John the Baptist for all our guys. And so they come here, they come make the pepper well.
Yeah, okay.
Donald from Warri, good evening.
Good evening.
Warri people, what could I allow? Make other people call now.
Now we force them, make them not call. If they not get credit in call.
Donald, how you doing?
I dey fine. Good evening, Edu.
Follow Ali Baba talk.
Yeah, Ali Baba, I been a good evening.
Good evening, Donald, that body.
I dey fine. But I don't know say you be Delta State man before.
You don't know?
I don't know truth about
Okay, where you think from call?
I think say you come from Kokori, one place around the Yoruba side yonder now.
No,
from Niger Republic.
Now I think say Ali Baba for come from.
Because if you like person they carry cow.
When I see him, I think
I don't feel wait this program finish. The conk when I go conk they do the headache na next week. Maybe you be witness for here.
I did. Where you want come on the 6th? Where you want come? I be on the 7th. So.
You get one thing when they happen for that governor side.
What did happen for them now?
Wait, you want invite?
Now for you.
Na private event.
Na private event.
So people like us not go come there.
I said na private event. You be private?
I been a year quarter you want go.
No, you don't say anything when you read they do. You get to use plenty lights because that guy like burnt offering.
We know. Now make me the ask you where so that I will show you my guy now.
Our guy.
Now our guy. All right, Donald, thank you. Emmanuel from Bayelsa, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How far?
See, I'm not alone.
I didn't hear you. We didn't hear you.
Good evening.
Hey, we didn't hear you.
You there for land or there for water?
I there where una dey.
Where you there, na land or water?
Baba.
You there, Abba?
I know there water now. We never reach time where we go run enter water now.
Like Asia.
Okay, now buy you there.
I know they are bad.
I know you say you there, Abba now.
My brother, when you know where you there, call us.
When your eyes is spiritually open, call us back.
Because you be like person where they not give PVC. Unknown location.
Unknown location. Anyway,
maybe I go get to the PVC or tell them.
Hey, Natro, I beg. As you there now, if you never collect your PVC, I beg, go collect your PVC so that you go join take vote. People they talk say time not day. If everybody talk say time not day, who want vote? At least get even in a break period from your office, come out small, make you go outside and collect your PVC, or even on Saturday, rush go collect your PVC before election. Now on the 8th, now INEC say you go finish. So I beg.
But like say they talk say if you not collect PVC, you not collect salary. You know some people don't go. Okay. Even the ones that don't know they pay go still collect.
Shiva from Abuja, good evening. Good evening, my brother.
Good evening.
How you doing?
I do very fine.
Now your name na G-Man.
Yes.
Your mama give you G-Man.
Yes, now why not?
No, then mama give her a name like Gabriel. Then he see man pick for her.
You don't know before?
Okay. You want to follow Ali Baba talk, Abi?
Yes, I do.
Oh, yeah, carry go.
Bros.
My brother Hannah.
Very fine, wallahi, very fine.
Okay. How your side?
I am very fine, Allah.
Okay. Wait, you don't give your phone to me, Shai?
Allah.
Abi, you give back to your megad. I don't understand. That's what they talk with before different.
Bros, Niera.
What hearing?
Hey.
They won't hearing. Uruk Baban Igben.
Electric code.
The electrical won't hearing.
Hey.
Because water, I tell you, Uruk Bero, where area?
Bros, I just see they go down.
We thank the Lord.
See that language? You be like when they cast demon, come on. When they put it out? You be like when they cast demon
Our
out.
better passage job people.
You be like when they cast demon out. On top Twitter, Hafsat Said talks and they do you look very good. Oh, thank you. Like, you see, it's my talent. They look very good. Thank you. Ali Baba, welcome. How work? Greet my easy beat.
Good evening, Assad. You don't do now. Why you look me like that now?
Joy from Lagos. Good evening, my dear. Better person. You think fun?
I want to follow TikTok.
You want to follow who?
Kati.
Kati, send that text.
Send Katim text. Make I give you her number. Send Katim text. Bye. Anyway, on top Twitter, Ego Sotu Obugo.
Ego Sotu.
Ego Sotu.
You know the meaning of that name? Money they draw crowd.
Hey!
Hey! You see
Yeah! My name is Ledu, aka Ego Sotu. Hey, Ego Sotu, my namesake. Yeah, now what for you? I don't change my name now. Say, I greet you, Mr. Nedu, and our king Alibaba for the show. Miss Katin, one love. DJ Easy Beat, you too, then try put you there. Doralicious call say, Nedu, you need Jesus. So as one block is give Easy Beat, network crash, Abi. Yes! All weapon fashioned against me shall not prosper.
I saw one girl blow me kiss one time like that. I say, how kiss? From where she did, I know say she chop garlic.
Hey! I hate that thing, eh? You don't see, and those people they eat garlic and then they like gossip.
They whisper for
They
you.
whisper.
Yeah. Now, when you tell no say somebody really, the mouth they smell. Now when you whisper, the smell pass your ear, enter throat.
and I don't know why those kind of people. Now then for church when they go say, turn to your neighbor and say, "It shall be well." Now then they shout, "Wait, it shall be well." Your face go don't burn, like acid burn. Anyway, before we go break, who person they call us? No. Anyway, make we enter market. Want to come back sharp. And the boss in the side studio.
No wonder where you know think you again. You dey enter market. There's a craze where you enter market. You don't finish.
Annie from Delta, good evening. Before we enter market.
You just talk, they leave me.
You say waiting?
You just talk, they leave me. I just quiet to it.
Gene. I do waiting.
I think you just talk, they leave me.
Okay, you talk the liver.
Annie, it's the devil's work. It's the devil's work.
We need to buy that devil now.
Please, can we pray now?
Father Lord.
I need Baba to pray now. Join us in this prayer.
Father Lord, keep it in his body.
Amen. Keep waiting. All right, we dey come make we enter small market. When we come back, we will continue on top of the show. For night show, easy bit to go play small for us. And Baba sit there for inside studio. Even like say time just dey run. And we'll never even go anywhere. When they come back, still on top of the night show.
Yeah, your dance they make me crazy. Yeah, your dance they make me maga. I'm feeling your sexy waist and beat you skinny bass. Give it to me, just go down low. That is to me like Ronaldo. I got the power commando. Anyway that you go, me, girl, me, I'll go. Yeah, you should run to the next.